U.S. green card rules tighten for married couples. All you need to know. The U.S. has rolled out stricter green card rules for married couples, effective August 1st, 2025. Under the updated USCIS policy, couples must provide stronger proof of a bona fide marriage, undergo more interviews, and face closer scrutiny to prevent fraud. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. On August 1st, 2025, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services implemented a major policy update affecting marriage-based green card applications. The revised guidance, now part of the official USCIS policy manual, tightened scrutiny on petitions filed by couples seeking lawful permanent resident status. This move is part of an ongoing federal effort to reduce immigration fraud and reinforce the credibility of the family-based immigration system. These updated rules are effective immediately and apply to both new applications and those already pending. USCIS emphasized that the changes are designed to enhance the agency's ability to detect fraud and ensure that marriage-based petitions represent genuine legal relationships. The agency stated, fraudulent, frivolous, or otherwise non-meritorious family-based immigrant visa petitions erode confidence in family-based pathways to lawful permanent resident status and undermine family unity in the United States. New evidence requirements for couples. Under the new guidance, applicants must provide more substantial documentation to prove the legitimacy of their marriage. USCIS will now expect couples to submit a wide array of evidence, including but not limited to joint financial records, such as shared bank accounts, mortgage statements, or utility bills, photographs that clearly depict the couple together in various life settings, personal statements or letters from friends, family members, or community members attesting to the authenticity of the relationship. This documentation must clearly support the claim that the relationship is not only legally valid, but also ongoing and based on a legitimate intention to build a life together. Mandatory in-person interviews and enhanced review. The revised policy introduces stricter enforcement of in-person interviews for marriage-based green card applicants. During these interviews, USCIS officers will ask detailed questions to assess the couple's knowledge of each other and evaluate the credibility of their relationship. Officers may also conduct follow-up interviews if inconsistencies arise, or if a prior petition had been denied for similar reasons. USCIS will also place greater emphasis on an applicant's immigration history. This includes examining whether the beneficiary is already in the U.S. on another visa, whether they filed other petitions before, or there's a pattern of similar applications that suggest misuse of the immigration system. Approval doesn't protect against removal. Importantly, the policy makes it clear that approval of a marriage-based petition does not automatically protect the beneficiary from deportation. USCIS warned that if the beneficiary is otherwise removable, they may still be issued a notice to appear in immigration court. A family-based immigrant visa petition does not grant immigration status or relief from removal, the agency stated. Filing petitions abroad and overseas processing. The updated rules also clarify when a U.S. citizen can file a Form I-130 petition outside the U.S. in certain situations, such as if the sponsor is in the military or employed abroad by the U.S. government. Direct filing through the U.S. Department of State is permitted. Policy now in full effect. These changes are effective immediately as of August 1st, 2025, and apply to all marriage-based green card petitions, whether newly submitted or still under review. Full policy details are available in the USCIS Policy Manual on the agency's official website. With these rules now in effect, married couples seeking green cards must prepare for a more rigorous process. Ensuring complete, truthful, and well-documented applications is key to avoiding delays or denials. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
US green card rules tighten for married couples. You need to know. On August 1st, 2025, USCIS enacted stricter rules for marriage-based green card applications to combat immigration fraud and ensure genuine relationship. Now, part of the USCIS policy manual, the new guidance demand extensive evidence from couples, including joint financial records, photos together, and a statement from acquaintances affirming the relationship authenticity. In-person interviews will be more rigorous, with USCIS officers assessing the couple's knowledge of each other and reviving immigration history or patterns of misuse. If discrepancies arise or previous canal exit, follow-up interviews may be required. Importantly, approval of a potential does not shape beneficiaries from depression. Those found otherwise removable may still be issued a notice to appear in court. The video clarifies when US citizens can file petition from abroad, particularly for military or government workers staying overseas. Petition denied domestically may be redirected for consular processing. These reforms, now fully in effect, apply to both new and pending applications, reinforcing the integrity of the family-based immigration process.